When you look at this makeup, you think it's beautiful. But what you don't know is that when I started doing my makeup, I didn't know how to do it. Especially, I didn't know what brushes to use. 8 years later, I became a makeup artist and I wanted to help beginners, people who don't know where to start, what to buy. There are so many things available. So I created the ultimate brush set so you don't have to buy any other makeup brushes for your face. Nothing, you have everything in this kit. In this kit, there are 4 items. It comes in a beautiful box. There are 4 brushes inside. One is for foundation, one is for powder, another one is for concealer underneath your eyes to hide the dark spots, and another one for contour. So with those 4 brushes, you can achieve this look. That's what I used today to do my foundation. You can get this set at anivymakeup.com and you'll find all the information. Keep watching so I can tell you more about each brush. The foundation brush is a flat kabuki brush and it's flat. It's really dense so the foundation can really blend well with your face. You can apply it everywhere. It does not absorb too much of the foundation. It's ideal to press it on your face in order to have a nice airbrush finish. It gives you a flawless finish. The shape will help you to not create lines when you apply the foundation. Then there is the tapered kabuki brush. It's ideal to apply underneath your eyes. It's created as a beauty blender shape, so you can really add it here in the tiny little corner that usually is hard to get unless you use your hands. What's nice about it is that if you add too much concealer, it's going to be absorbed on the middle of the brush, so like there's never too much product applied to your face. Try it, you'll see, it's really amazing. Like, this is one of my favorites. Then there is the angular kabuki brush. It's in the shape of an angle. It's not too sharp, so it doesn't create like a sharp line when you create your contour. It really helps you to blend and access the crease on your face. You can use it to create a nice natural contour line. It's not too too straight. The last brush is one of my favorite. It's not too big, not too small. Like, you can really use it all over your face. You can even access small areas. You can apply it everywhere. It's the powder brush. It's so soft, you guys. I love it. It has the shape of an egg, and since it's so soft, it doesn't irritate your skin. It's super soft, you guys. I want you to remember something. This brush kit was created with you in mind. I remember how I was struggling to find brushes. I didn't know where to start and all the brushes were so expensive. You didn't know what to use. Is it for face? Is it for foundation, powder? You didn't know. And I wanted to have something quick that you just have 4 brushes that you can do your entire face with and have a flawless application. And that's how I created it, and I want you to have it, and I want this kit to make your life easier when you have to do your makeup. I use it every day and I hope you do too. I can't wait to ship it to you. So just go on anivymakeup.com, order your brushes, and you receive it in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoy your kit.